Hey everyone, this is Kathy Dove with the Dove team and Keller Williams Rivers and Bay here in the Northern Neck. Your home, make sure it stands out from the rest. Your list, getting it market ready, is key to attracting serious buyers. Bring the best price. Let's talk about how to make your home shine and stand out in a competitive market. For one homeowner, their place was ready for the market and buyers walked in to the neighborhood, but immediately noticed small issues that could have been fixed and ended up losing an offer. Experience proves just how much first impressions matter. Your first time selling or you have sold before, take the right steps to prepare your home makes all the difference. Let your home sell faster, for money, and clean and declutter. The foundation of any sale. Buyers need to be able to imagine themselves living in the space. It's hard to do if personal items or clutter are everywhere. By removing excess furniture and personal photos, ensure surfaces, carpets, and windows are sparkling clean. And hire a professional cleaner or organizer to help really elevate your home's presentation and make it stand out to buyers. Home move-in ready. Before listing, take a close look at both the inside and the outside of your home. Minor repairs like leaky faucets, cracked tiles, or peeling paint, and curb appeal by mowing the lawn, trim bushes, plant fresh flowers, and refreshing the front door with a coat of paint. Small improvements can make a big impact, signaling to buyers that your home is well maintained and move-in ready. Attracts more serious offers. Also conduct a pre-inspection to uncover hidden issues and ensure your home makes the best first impression possible. 3. Stage the home. You have to hire a professional stager, but it helps to rearrange furniture to highlight the flow and functionality of the rooms. Neutral colors tend to make spaces look larger and inviting. Underestimate the power of a well-lit home. 4. Price right. Your home is looking its best. The next and most important step is to price it correctly. The right price is absolutely crucial. If it's too high, you risk scaring off potential buyers. If it's too low, you will get the full value of your home. Local expert, I can help you analyze comparable sales in the area, current market trends, and buyer demand to come up with a price that attracts offers and gets you the best return. Important to trust a real estate professional. Those neighborhood to help you set a competitive price. 5. With a good real estate agent. A home is more than just putting a sign in the yard. A strong real estate agent helps you connect all the dots, preparation and pricing, to marketing, negotiation, and timing. Agent will guide you on which updates actually matter, avoid over-improving, and position your home to attract the right buyers from day one. Also handles showings, feedback negotiations, and any curveballs that come up during the process. Importantly, the right agent advocates for you, protect your bottom line, keep transaction on track, and reduce stress so you can focus on your next move with confidence. Remember that your home is prepared well, correctly, and supported by a knowledgeable local expert. You yourself in the strongest possible position for a successful sale. Your home for sale doesn't have to be stressful. Right strategy, updates, and smart staging, the process can be smooth and even exciting. Ready to get started or have questions about pricing, staging, or marketing? Call or send us a message. Let your home sold for the best price in the shortest amount of time. So much for tuning in. This is Kathy Dove with the Dove team, Keller Williams Rivers and Bay. Our YouTube channel, team, Northern Neck Realtors, and our website, www.teamsells.com. So much. See you next time.